I'm back at Gangnam Wings for my complimentary wings, being the Lord of the Wings challenge I won a few months ago. Gangnam Wings is the latest Korean fried chicken concept in the metro, opened by Rinky Tuano and Korean chef Jung Chungyael at the SM Megamall in 2017. On August 18, 2017, I won the Lord of the Wings eating competition. This visit we're having Japchae and Goblin Wings. We're still waiting for the Goblin Wings to arrive. Alexandra, how did you like the Japchae?
I only went chicken this. Wait, did they have gloves the last time?
Yes, they'll give you gloves. You want gloves?
Yeah.
The wings just arrived. Our daughter Alexandra loves the wings here. Alexandra, you're putting on your gloves.
Yes. So difficult.
Okay, go for it.
Wait, then I still have to put my other glove. Fine. Should I go?
Yeah, why not?
How was it? It's good. But I have to put it because I'm still putting my gloves.
They're so cute. You need 2 gloves to eat fried chicken?
What's so funny about it?
You're so funny, that's all.
So the chicken is nice and crispy, but in the meat, well, is it spicy or not?
No spice. No spice.
Do you like fried chicken?
Of course I do.
So would you like when you're saying this when you eat? Good. Actually, it's crispy. I feel like it's spicy. Is it spicy or not?
Not spicy.
It is. I tried it.
It's just hot, but not spicy. So for dessert, we got the Oreo Bingsu. We haven't tried this here before yet. Okay, Alexandra's getting started.
Good. I thought this one is a straw. So funny.
How is it? Do you like it? How do you like the Oreos?
Probably good. But that wasn't the right thing, right? You didn't order that.
Okay, let's have some of this. Careful, Kugi. Takoichi Food Hub is the newest takoyaki stall in Manila, opened on October 2017 at the SM Megamall in Mandaluyong. What differentiates this takoyaki vendor from others is that they use real octopus instead of squid, and they also have